December. The month of holiday cheer and holiday spending. But wait, before you start diving into your credit card debt, let's talk about how you can actually save money this month. Stick around for these 5 easy ways to keep your finances intact while still enjoying the season of giving. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Point 1. Take control of your holiday shopping. First things first, the holidays are here, and so is the temptation to overspend. The good news: you don't have to drain your savings to show you care. Make a budget, stick to it, and set clear spending limits. Don't get swayed by the endless deals. Most of the time, it's just a clever marketing trick. And hey, ever notice how limited time offers always seem to last forever? Sneaky, right? But let's be real. We've all fallen for the free shipping trap, haven't we? Instead, stick to your list and shop smart. Focus on experiences or personalized gifts, because who needs another mug that says "Best Boss" anyway? Point 2. Eliminate subscriptions you're not using. Second, let's talk subscriptions. If you're anything like most of us, you've probably got a bunch of those monthly payments you've completely forgotten about. Maybe it's a streaming service you never use, or a gym membership that's just collecting dust. Now's the time to cancel the ones you don't need. It's like trimming the fat from your budget. Every little bit counts. Imagine that extra $10, $20, or $50 each month sitting in your pocket instead of going to Netflix and, accidentally, watching 4 seasons of that show you've already seen. Speaking of trimming the fat, let's talk about trimming something even more important: your energy bills. Point 3. Save on energy bills. As the weather gets colder, your heating bills might be heating up. But here's a simple hack: turn down the heat. Drop the thermostat by just a couple of degrees, and suddenly, you're saving cash without even trying. Also, check for drafts in your home, windows, doors, the basement. Seal them up to keep that warm air inside. Trust me, your energy provider isn't giving you a Christmas gift this year. But hey, if you can't stand the cold, just bundle up like it's the Winter Olympics: sweaters, blankets, and maybe a hot cup of cocoa. Small changes like this can save you hundreds over the next few months. And that's money you can redirect toward your real goals. Point 4. Cook at home. Let's face it, we've all had those nights when ordering out feels like the only option. But here's the thing: eating out every night can eat away at your savings. So why not try cooking at home instead? And no, you don't have to be a professional chef to make a simple, delicious meal. There are tons of budget-friendly recipes out there. Plus, every meal you cook is money you're keeping in your pocket instead of handing it to your local delivery guy. But saving money isn't just about spending less. It's about smart investing in yourself. Which leads me to the next point. Point 5. Build or strengthen your emergency fund. Finally, let's talk about something that could really change your financial future: your emergency fund. If you don't have one, start building it now. Even if it's just a small amount each week, put it into a savings account that's separate from your checking account. Think of it like a financial cushion, there to soften the blow when life throws you curveballs. Because we all know it's not a matter of if, but when. And look, I get it, you'd rather buy that new iPhone. But trust me, when the unexpected happens, a shiny new phone won't pay the bills. Your emergency fund is like your own personal, financial shield. It's one of the smartest investments you'll ever make. And it's free money you won't regret. So there you have it, 5 simple ways to save money in December. But remember, it's not just about cutting back, it's about being intentional with your choices. Take control now, and you'll be thanking yourself later when you've got a healthier bank account and more freedom in the future. Don't let December drain your wallet. Take action today, and start building the wealth you deserve. Alright, now go out there and make this December the start of something financially incredible. See you in the next video.